Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add guests to your ClickUp Workspace. Whether you're collaborating with clients, freelancers, or external partners, or you simply want to share tasks without giving full access, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Ready to invite guests effortlessly? Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp Workspace and go to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Invite Users button. Click on it to open the invitation panel. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't accidentally assign the wrong role or permissions. Next, in the invitation panel, look for the role drop-down. This is where you'll choose guest instead of member. Guests in ClickUp are unique. They can only access tasks and items shared with them and cannot be added to spaces like full members. This ensures security while still allowing collaboration. Remember, view-only guests are always free and don't count toward your seat limits, which is great for keeping costs down while sharing your workspace. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the correct email addresses of the people you want to invite, and double-check that they aren't already part of your workspace as members, because ClickUp won't allow duplicate invitations. Doing this beforehand prevents confusion and ensures a smooth invitation process. Once you've selected the guest role, type in the email of the person you want to invite and click Send Invite. The recipient will receive an email prompting them to join your workspace as a guest. After they accept, they'll immediately have access to the shared tasks and items, making collaboration fast and simple. It's also a good idea to periodically review guest access to ensure that everyone has the right permissions and that sensitive tasks are protected. This extra step keeps your workspace organized and secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add guests to ClickUp easily and efficiently, allowing you to collaborate externally without giving full member access. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?